Your favorite gadget just shut down, and all your important work vanished. This isn't just bad luck, it's a thermal management warning sign you can't ignore. Overheating is more than a minor inconvenience, it's a hidden threat lurking in your devices, ready to strike when you least expect it. Have you ever felt your phone getting uncomfortably warm? That heat is a serious red flag, signaling that your device is struggling to cool down. When it overheats, it's not just uncomfortable, it can lead to irreversible damage. Imagine you're on an important video call and your laptop suddenly falters. This isn't just a glitch, it's a consequence of overheating. As I he I so compact thermal management systems often fail under pressure, and many people don't realize how design flaws or everyday habits like charging your phone in its case can trap heat and put your device at risk. Now, picture grabbing your tablet to catch up on your favorite series, only to find it lagging. That lag is just annoying, it could indicate failing thermal management. As your device heats up, its performance drops, creating a dangerous cycle that many remain blissfully unaware of. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Leaving your laptop in direct sunlight could cause permanent damage, malfunctions, swollen batteries, or even fires. You might think this doesn't affect you, but consider how much you rely on these gadgets every day. Would you risk their longevity and your peace of mind? Recognizing thermal management warning signs quickly could save you from disaster. Start listening to your gadgets. Pay attention to unusual heat levels and don't overlook the signs. Simple adjustments in how you use them can make a huge difference. Your tech deserves your attention. Awareness can preserve not just your devices, but also your sanity. Overheating is a silent threat that often goes unnoticed, and the technology you rely on could be quietly damaging itself. Imagine it this: you pick up your tablet, eager to binge watch your favorite series. It feels warm in your hands, but you brush it off. However, overheating can lead to significant failures, and many don't notice until it's too late. Let's explore this further. The sleek, compact design of modern devices, while convenient, can create a ticking time bomb. Ever wondered why your laptop suddenly shuts down during an intense gaming session? It's not just bad luck, it's a warning sign. The issue often stems from the tiny components crammed into these devices. They generate heat but have limited space for ventilation, creating a perfect storm. You might think, my device should be fine. But what happens when those internal temperatures rise unchecked? Picture this: you're on a video call, and suddenly your phone freezes. Frustrating, right? Each freeze could signal bigger problems ahead. The more it happens, the greater the risk of long-term damage. This isn't just about inconvenience, it's about safety. Overheating can lead to battery swelling, hardware failure, and even fires. Yes, fires. It's easy to ignore these warnings until one day your gadget becomes more of a hazard than a help. Now, as you feel that rush of concern, you might be asking, what can you do? First, pay attention to how your devices behave. Is that warmth becoming a regular occurrence? It shouldn't be. Should feel should Make it a habit to let them cool down during heavy use. But that's just the start. Consider investing in cooling pads or stands that enhance airflow. This simple change could significantly extend your device's lifespan. As we wrap up, remember this: every time you reach for your tech, you're stepping into a world of hidden dangers. Stay vigilant. Your devices deserve better care than being neglected when they act up. So, the next time you feel that heat rising, remember it's not just a minor annoyance. It's a call to action. Take care of your gadgets, and they'll take care of you. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it, because we all deserve to know about the unseen hazards lurking in our technology. Have you ever noticed your phone getting uncomfortably warm while you're using it? You're definitely not alone. But what if I told you that this minor annoyance could escalate into something serious, even dangerous? Let's dive into a topic that often gets overlooked: thermal management in our favorite gadgets. You might think your devices are built to handle heat, but the truth is quite concerning. The hidden dangers of overheating are lurking just beneath the surface. Imagine this: you're binge watching your favorite series, and suddenly your laptop shuts down. Frustrating, right? But it's not just a random glitch, it's a warning sign that something more serious is happening. Many users brush it off, but that's where the problem starts to escalate. The compact thermal management systems in our tech are often pushed to their limits. The materials designed to keep them cool can fall short, leading to dangerous overheating. Leading to your phone, tablet, or laptop is packed with components that generate heat, and what's happening inside those sleek designs could be a ticking time bomb. Let's consider some real-life examples. Remember when you left your tablet charging on your bed? It can get so hot that it could melt plastic. This isn't just harmless warmth, it's a clear sign of thermal management failure. You definitely don't want to think about what could happen if you left it there too long. And it's not just about comfort. Overheating can cause significant damage, like losing all your important files or, even worse, starting a fire. It's a nightmare scenario that's becoming all too common. So, what can you do about it? We'll get to that soon, but first, let's explore the hidden causes. Many brands prioritize slim designs over effective cooling solutions, leaving you with a beautiful device that could easily overheat during heavy use. It's a trade-off you didn't sign up for. Picture this: your laptop crashes during an important presentation due to heat spikes. It's not just inconvenient, it could be career-ending. This isn't just about technology, it's about the trust you place in these gadgets every day. But here's the good news: awareness is your first step. Recognizing when your devices are working too hard can help you take proactive measures. Simple habits, like giving your device a break or using it on hard surfaces, can make a big difference. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on your relationship with technology. As our